description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one out of Singapore. This is Nissin in a collaboration with Irvins salted egg chips. This is Nissin and Irvins salted egg spicy flavor. And that is what we're doing. Oh, wrong end. So, oil, base, little eggy bits, oh wait, little eggy bits, and garnish. And the garnish goes in right now. I'm really curious what the garnish entails. But, yeah, this very well may be my last episode of, it looks to be spring. Okay. Very well might be the last episode and review I do of the year 2024. I want to thank everybody for watching the show and watching or reading my reviews on www.theramenraider.com. So it's a big weekend. So in 2009, I was going through a divorce. And there was this chick in California. She was going through a divorce too. And we were like, we're not waiting around. We like being with somebody. And we ended up connecting. And on Sunday, it'll be 15 years since we first talked on the phone. That's my wife, Kit. And we talked that night for maybe like 4 or 5 hours. I didn't really think there was any chance. She was all the way down in California. I mean, she was going to come up here to see me. And she had a cold, so her voice was a little funny, and it was actually really cute. And I liked that. And we made plans to talk again and again. And let's see, it was the 22nd. Christmas Eve, I guess way late at night, she sent me a text, and I got it on Christmas morning. And she asked me if she bought a ticket, if I'd like to spend New Year's Eve with her in a couple days and go see some sights down there. I was like, yes. Everybody around was saying, you got to be careful, you know, there's people who steal people's organs and stuff like that. I'm like, no, I'm happy. I'm doing this. And yeah, I flew down there, and that was that. I mean, I was hooked, she was hooked, and we've been, yeah, we got married, let's see, we moved in together, let's see, it was December 22nd, 2009 we first spoke. She left California, and we moved in together on April 1st or 2nd. And then we actually got married as soon as both of our divorces were complete on July 6th of 2010. So it was quick. And yeah, I mean, it was really literally like a fairy tale thing. And yeah, that's like the luckiest thing that happened to me in my entire life. And, you know, I hope everybody, you know, my farewell message for 2024, if this is the last review I'm doing this year, even though you're in April, I know, but yeah, hopefully you have somebody, and if you don't, you will, and if you don't want one, you never will. I don't know, but yeah, a lot has happened in 15 years, but it's not all been good, but, you know, it's not all been bad, that's for sure. Yeah. But all I can say is I got really lucky. So yeah. that happy time pretext to the review. Did I really put that in? I need that. Jumping the gun. I really like to empty the sink. And which reminds me, we do this thing, what is it called? Paired. It's an app, right? For couples. I heard about it on the David Pakman show, one of his ads, a long time ago. And it just gives you a daily prompt that you and your partner can like answer this question. And so I often answer it like first thing in the morning. But she won't see my answer to the question until she answers it, right? So it's kind of like a blind thing. Well, the one today, what is an argument that you repeatedly have? And I thought it was funny. I'll bet you she'll say the same thing. We argue about chores. Not what you would think. Not like, you need to do the dishes, you need to get the dishes done. Not anything like that. It's like, oh, I see the dishwasher needs loaded. Can I go do, there's the laundry. I'll get into trouble. That's her domain. If I mess with the laundry, she'll get ticked. And I'm like, no. Don't mess with the dishwasher. That's my thing. So we've got our own chores that we are like hardcore about doing. So I guess if you're gonna have some kind of debate on stuff, might as well be on things that we like to get done, that need to get done. Kind of funny. Okay, there we go. I don't know if I should put the egg crumble on top, but I'm gonna, yeah. So let's try this. This is I did not like the spicy salted egg, but we will find out if I like it now, if it's groovy. It smells like salted egg, and I freaking love salted egg. There it is. Oh, the family hates the smell of this stuff. I love it. This one I don't mind so much. The other one I wasn't. Oh, wait. You need mixed better. I wasn't really getting a lot of the spicy aspect. I was just getting the salted egg aspect. Here we go. So I'm going to say that I like the salted egg one with yeah, I'll be honest. I don't like the salted egg as spicy as much as just regular. I like that quite a bit. I don't think it needs the spicy. It just detracts from the salted eggitude. And we can't have that, because that's like one of the most wonderful flavors ever. Oh, we got one last egg. There we go. Alright, got a little more to add in. We've got some spring onion. Like so. Got some sesame seed. And then we have our little bit of little eggy bits. Our egg crumb topping, which is really good. All right. Well, it is spicy. I'll add a couple shakes of chili flake. Probably last one at 24. Enjoy. Alrighty, well, thank you very much for watching. If you like this episode, think about donating, like, subscribe. That's always a good thing. And yeah, I'll bet you I do another one before the end of 24. I'll let you know on the next episode. But if not, Happy New Year. You're already halfway through it, aren't you? Have a good one. Bye-bye.